Alright, let's do a video. I don't remember what I worked on yesterday. What did I do? I was like fixing a few bugs and stuff. Oh, I did like an error checking for duplicate stuff. So I think it's in my crawler. Crawler go. Okay, so I do check if it's not found. Skipping job ID with that not found. Or skipping job with ID. Yeah, not found. I would say. Be more a little explicit here, right? We of course prune any ones that are in too large, and then now we need to do. Okay. If it's a duplicate, just return null. Okay, so that is a thing I need to very much consider because I think something broke there when that happened. So query context row. I think it's a specific. Okay, I need to make sure it's a specific type error. So let me write that down. So we have a few variables: error not found, error conflict. We'll do another one. Error duplicate. Right, so we'll say errors.new. We'll say resource duplicate link. Let's do that. Okay, so now we go here, right? So we try to create one, right? Is it the pages? Ooh, shit. Is it pages? We have pages here. Yeah, it is pages. Okay, let me just add this. Let's go to store. Crawl jobs, storage. Alright, so we have a few things here. So basically, if error, okay, so if error equals, oh, I guess errors dot is the squeals dot error duplicate for maybe error foreign key, no rows. Let me see all the errors that I'm able to get. I'm gonna see go docs squeal. Actually, I did this wrong. Go docs squeal. Okay. So I have a few ones here. Let's see, is there any error con done? What? What? There's no more fucking. I swear I had a freaking. Oh man, I wish I had that. I wish I had that log, bro. Oh wait, hold on. There might be one somewhere. Okay, duplicate key. Let's see that. Error duplicate key. I need to import the PGX thing. Uh-oh. Fuck, man. It doesn't have like those specific errors I want. That kind of sucks. Am I able to use this? Because I don't know if I'm using PGX at the moment. Oh, I gotta do this, right? Right. Ooh. Wait, let's do that actually. Let's just fail if every time we do on conflict. So what are the insert into pages values that on conflict do nothing. Is that actually a thing? Yeah, data integrity. So how does it look? On conflict. On conflict. Specifically the URL. Do nothing, I think. I think that is clean. Yeah, that's pretty clean. That's a way cleaner way. So, because I don't really care. I'm not gonna really handle the error like that well. So, anyways, so that's one way to address this. We covered that. If it's duplicate, we will never know. Now we need to freaking upload it to our freaking links database. Yeah. So let's do c dot store dot crawl jobs. No, crawl. Now links. Dot create. Yep. Okay. Yeah, I think I do it here, right? I just do one link at a time? Whatever. Okay, so I need to store... Basically, this link goes to this one. This one goes to that one. This one... Yeah, so... There could be a fuck ton. So I have to basically use this, which is the links here. I feel like I could do it in a database. Let me do this. So c.store dot links dot create. I think passing in links is way cleaner. And if it errors out, and then let's just adjust this actually. Links. Insert into links, crawl job ID from URL to URL. I think I should link payload. Nah, fuck this. I want an array of strings. Or string, yeah, an array of strings. We'll call this links, of course. And then, yeah, this is a wrong way to go about it. I guess what do we need? Depth. I guess we need parent. Depth. And we'll call this neighbors. We'll call this an int. I think it's more important to do this. Okay, so now, database, mass insert, Postgres, Golang. Yeah. Make a sticking bulk insert. Okay. Instead of inserting because we can add them to a buffer. Okay. Background flusher to insert batches periodically. A background go routine flushes the buffer every 5 seconds. And flush to it's to individually add it. Fucking god, this is a little bit complicated, but okay, well, I have the buffer, right? Then I'll make some mini stuff here. Let's do some mini functions here. So we'll do this func link store, and these are all private. Insert record or insert link, or just call it insert. Obviously have a context. All we need is parent URL depth, and these are going to be all strings here. So we need something. Okay, I need to do a chan struct, I think. Damn, bro, this is like such a high throughput inputs. Okay. Trigger an immediate flush if the buffer ever. Okay. Bulk insert. Okay, so we need to add to the buffer one at a time. But how does this work though? I don't know. This is a little funky, man. I feel like there's a better way to do this. Actually, maybe we can, because it's gonna be a lot. Yeah, I think this is worth it. I'm gonna try it. I think I'm gonna try it, because I'm gonna try it. This might be worth it, because Okay, so I'm actually at a buffer here, which is an array of just links, strings. Right, we'll just do that, and then we'll do a a flush channel. This is a channel with the struct inside. Right. So, okay, we need to do a bulk insert record, which is gonna be here. We'll do s dot buffer dot buffer lock. What? We have buffer lock. Ah, okay, that makes sense. We'll do buffer lock sync dot mutex. Do that, and then we'll do buffer lock dot lock s dot buffer equals append s dot buffer the URL s dot buffer lock dot unlock. Okay, I guess we do that. Sure. So if there's something okay, well, for me it's s. We'll trigger that immediately. There shouldn't be any errors, just or anything to return. So we'll do this. So it's just to insert a bunch of into our in memory, and then start to flusher. Okay, so start flusher. So we'll do that. Links. We'll do start flusher. So this doesn't need anything in at all. I don't even think we need a context at all, bro. Because this is just adding it to our in-memory thing. And then we'll have a ticker. Do all this. Do that. And then this is just going to be S to flush to DB. Flush to DB. Right, then flush to DB. Okay, now we need to define flush to DB. Func s link store. These are all private. I don't want anyone to expose any of this. Okay, so we have our stuff here. Okay, this is where things might get a little bit different. So we have PG lock, all of this. Let's do that. Call this S. Call this right. Okay, so wait, what are we doing? Oh, delete it. Why are we deleting the thing? It's kind of weird. Okay, let's make a query, which is just this. Right, and then do this here. Okay, so we do, he just, so we have the array, right, which is records, and just basically calling records for every, okay, makes sense. Let me adjust this. So we need to, okay, we have a records. Let's do some record matching here. Oh god, I'm kind of confused. Okay, we need to, okay, so he has links, that's our buffer. Then for every single item in the buffer, right here, links, for everything in the buffer, we call the, we basically make a query for that. Okay, makes sense. So can I do this? It's a bit weird. This is such a crappy way to do this. Because he's not even using context. Which I don't want to have limited. We'll just do, I guess, exec query query or execute this, right? We'll just get rid of this. We'll have the query. We don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this. All we have is just the links. I know where they come from though. So we'll do this. Just there are insert into links, crawl job ID, right? So we need job ID. Then from URL, so parent, then the link, and then depth. All that information is, the only dynamic information is just the link, which is links, go here. Okay. So now okay, we don't need this, I don't think. We have the link, parent. Okay, now I just need to do, yeah. Yeah. The thing is, like, once I find this, I don't know, because like once it's moved on, right, it will probably able to, like, there'll be different things. Like, I feel like this is unnecessary, but it's like worth a shot, I guess. I don't think, here's the thing, I don't think I'm gonna get a bunch of like bunch of rights to this, but anyways, well, okay, I'll try to fix this up later, but see you guys tomorrow.